What's going on, everybody? Willis McGahee here at Natural Hair Transplant in Fort Lauderdale with my favorite doctor, Dr. H. You know, he brought me back. He told me he can bring me back to life. He brought me back to life. Look at me now. I know you're gonna see these pictures a little later. You're gonna be like, oh hell no, he really did this for him. He did it for me. I'm impressed with it. I'm happy. It has taken a lot of stress off of my life. You know what I mean? I was ready to give up. I didn't know what to do, walking around with this bald head. And, you know, you can see I got a whole tape line, got some grays in there. But, hey, it's all natural. It's all natural. It's my hair. It's nobody else's hair. So, you know, come on out. Natural hair transplant here in Fort Lauderdale. Dr. H, he's a man. He'll get you right. I mean, just look. Wait till I get a haircut. When I get a haircut, I'm going to send him a picture. So I look a little rough right now with all this, but you see it, it's there. He took care of me. He brought me back to life. I mean, what more could I ask for? Remember this, folks. If you're not impressed with your looks for your hairline, or whatever type of hair situation you got, come on by here and holler at Dr. H. He'll take care of you. He'll put you back in the game. Yeah, I'm back in the game.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.